including ambushes and endless wars in Mindanao. They trampled our basic human rights, such as the right to live.
Ang lakas malamig hostel, direct natin na lang po saya. Carlos Manuelson, huwag tumitaw Amerikano.
We lost our innocent children and women. We lost our homes and properties. Survivors are Filipinos. The wrath of nature and cruel destiny may steal everything from us.
Well, ang Pilipinas family.
But the Filipinos never give up. Never give up. For we are continuously surged by the test of time. The spirit to survive and to bounce back remains undefeated. I must fly as a bamboo, for I am a man of earth. My hair may all be blown away by the wind, and my legs may be crippled when smashed away. But I will stand and pick up the shattered pieces of myself and continue to live. To survive, no inspiration to live, not only for my family, but also for my beloved country.
Filipino,
Filipinos unite in the midst of crisis, regardless of socio-economic status, tradition, and creed. The world has seen the magnanimous spirit of the Filipinos in crucial times. The gap between the rich and the poor was narrowed.
envy was replaced by sympathy. Hatred was conquered by love. Selfishness was set aside, and saving one's life is the ultimate desire.
History tells us that the Filipinos have captured innumerable foes, natural and not, and shall always strive to champion in all odds. Because innate in the Filipino is the will to survive. We may be daunted by the horrible scenes around us, but certainly we will be strengthened by unwavering faith in God. We have been lauded by many nations in the world for our resiliency during disasters. Others die in saving lives, but only few realize that we are able to survive because our spirit to fight is deeply anchored from faith that God Almighty will never forsake us.
I believe that Filipinos, divided by barriers of creeds and culture, are capable of being on top of any situation, even united.
Together we can face any challenge ahead of us. We may stumble and fall, but we will bounce back, armed stronger with vision and faith. That after darkness, after pains and sufferings, the Filipino survives. The Filipino is resilient, and we are all